Out of hand is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation that has become uncontrollable or beyond reasonable limits. It suggests that something has escalated to the point where normal management or restraint is no longer effective. The phrase often conveys a sense of urgency or concern, indicating that immediate action may be necessary to restore order. One common use of out of hand refers to behavior that has become excessive. For example, a lively party may begin in a cheerful mood, but gradually get out of hand if guests become too loud or disruptive. In such cases, what started as harmless enjoyment transforms into a problem requiring intervention. The phrase highlights the transition from manageable to chaotic. The expression can also apply to emotions. Anger, excitement, or fear can get out of hand when individuals allow their feelings to intensify without control. When emotions spiral, people may say or do things they later regret. In this sense, the idiom emphasizes the importance of self-regulation and awareness before reactions exceed acceptable boundaries. In professional settings, projects or costs can get out of hand as well. A budget may start with clear limits, but expand unexpectedly due to poor planning or unforeseen challenges. Similarly, workplace conflicts can escalate if not addressed early. Managers often aim to resolve small issues promptly to prevent them from getting out of hand and affecting overall performance. Interestingly, out of hand has another meaning that differs slightly. It can also mean immediately, or without further consideration. For instance, someone might reject an idea out of hand, meaning they dismiss it instantly without discussion. In this usage, the phrase reflects abrupt decision-making rather than loss of control. The imagery behind the idiom suggests something slipping from one's grasp. When something is literally in hand, it is controlled and manageable. Once it moves out of hand, control is lost. This metaphor captures the sense of losing direct influence over events, whether in social, emotional, or organizational contexts. In conclusion, out of hand describes situations that have exceeded control or reasonable limits, as well as actions taken abruptly without reflection. The expression reminds us of the importance of timely intervention, emotional discipline, and thoughtful decision-making to prevent circumstances from escalating beyond our ability to manage them.